Hello students, question number 51 from NEET 2024. So in NEET 2024, questions were 50 questions were there. So that means our chemistry questions starting from 51 to 100. Now we're discussing question number 51. Now you can see here, question number 51, what the key concept is involved here is, so key concept here is, so here electrochemistry. So in that Faraday's law of electrolysis will be involved. You can see chemical reactions. This. Now here, the first statement, what is telling there? First option, what actually telling? Here, the formula we can use here, formula for this case, Q is equal to N into F. Q is equal to N into F. Here, Q is equal to the charge. Right? Q is equal to charge. Q is equal to charge. Whereas N is equal to number of moles of electrons. Number of mole of electron. F is Faraday's constant. F is Faraday's constant. That constant value we know, right? That is 96500 coulombs. Like this. Now we'll see in the statement of option statement A what actually is talking about. Statement A is the conversion of 1 mole of H2O to O2. What will happen? Let us take here H2O we have taken. It is converting into O2. Right? So here state of oxygen is here -2, here 0. So if I take this as a 2 moles, so now what happened now? A number of oxygens will be balanced. Here 2 oxygens, here also 2 oxygens. So whenever you can see here, in the case of water, oxygen state is -2. In the case of oxygen, O2 form, state of will be 0. That means what happened? -2 to 0. How many electrons are it is gaining? It is gaining 2 electrons. 2 electrons are gained. That means what happened? Here they're asking for 1 mole of H2O. So that means Q is equal to 1 into Q is equal to 1 into 2. That means so 2 number of moles into F. That will get the 2 Faraday's charge will come. First statement. If I see the second statement, 1 mole of MnO4 minus converting into Mn2 plus. So MnO4 minus is converting into Mn2 plus. So here we need to find out the oxidation state of manganese permanganate. MnO4 minus. MnO4 minus, if you try to find out the manganese state, Mn plus 4 oxygens, each oxygen minus 2 charge is equal to -1. So here what we have, manganese -8 is equal to -1. So manganese you will get as +7 will be the state. So manganese here +7. Now you can see here +7 to +2. That means 7 minus 2 we have to do. Number of electrons in the number of oxidation state in reactant minus number of oxidation state in the product. That will give the number of gain of electrons. You can write your formula. Number of electrons gain or loss is equal to oxidation state of reactant minus oxidation state of product. This is the formula you can use how to find the number of electrons, how many they are losing, how many they are gaining. Now, so from this we got to know that there is a 7 minus 2. That means what happened here? We will be having the 5 electrons. That means 5 into F. Q is equal to 5F will be the answer. If I see the statement number 3, what will happen? 1.5 mole of calcium from molten calcium chloride. That means will be is coming like this. CaCl2 to Ca is coming. This. Okay. Now here calcium state here plus 2. Here calcium state is 0. Elemental state of any element will be 0. Oxidation state of any element in a free elemental state will be 0 always. So here plus 2 to 0. That means what happened? 2 minus 0, 2 only. So number of electrons lost, number of electrons gained here is 2. Number of electrons gained here is. So here gain of electrons is equal to 2. That means they are given for 1.5 mole. So write down now first 2 into 1.5 into Faradays. So charge is equal to, he will get 3 Faradays, he will get the answer. The case of C. But if you see the statement number 4, D statement, what actually it's talking about? So D statement will be, so D statement, 1 mole of FeO to Fe2O3, ferrous to ferric, ferrous to ferric, ferrous to ferric, it is conversion taking place. In the ferrous state, iron state is plus 2, ferric state here plus 3. Okay, plus 2 to 3. So, how many electrons are going? So, one electron will be transferring. One electron is transferring. One electron will be transferring. So, one electron will be transferring. Now, if one electron is transferring, that means what happened? That they given for only for 1 mole. So, 1 into Faraday. So, we got the Faraday will be 1 Faraday. So, here what we have, A what we got, A we got 2 Faradays, B we got 5 Faradays, C we got 3 Faradays, D we got 1 Faraday. So what we have? A2, A2, that means A2 and B5, that means B4, A2, B4 as well as C1. You will be having the C1 and D3. So the correct option is option number 3 is the right answer.